Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. We all struggle with making sentences in English. This is a big problem. And this is also a reason why we are not able to speak in English. If we don't know how to come up with a sentence in English, then it will be definitely difficult for us to speak in English. So that is why I thought in this video, I am going to solve your problem of coming up with new sentences in English. Or rather, in this week, I am going to talk about 20 to 25 sentences on different topics, and I'm going to give you sentence structure also. I'm going to give you sample sentences on how you can speak on that topic with those sentences. So you're going to get ready-made 20 to 25 sentences on each topic in this week so that you can start speaking in English on different topics and you can start coming up with new sentences with those sample sentences as well. And I'm going to teach you the trick as well, how you can come up with new sentences with a sample sentence or with the sentences I've given you at the end of the video. So do watch this video to learn, to know how to come up with new sentences in English. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get back to the topic. So we all struggle with making sentences in English. What if I give you 20 to 25 ready-made sentences on different topics each day to start speaking or practicing in English, right? And from these sentences, you can come up with new sentences also. You can add your own ideas, you can add your own thoughts, and you can come up with your own sentences with this. Isn't it a brilliant idea? Yes, guys, it is. And it's definitely going to help you a lot. So today I've chosen the topic how to speak about myself or yourself or about you. Okay, so what are the simple sentences which we can use to convey our thoughts, our ideas about ourselves, right? How to talk about yourself or myself. Let's start. The first sentence is, my name is Twinkle. My name is Twinkle. And by the way, guys, what you can do is you can shadow with me, you can repeat after me, you can imitate so as to practice these sentences along with me or after me, whatever you choose. So this is also an advantage. So this is also another thing you can start doing with right away. So the first sentence is, my name is Twinkle. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. I am a student. I am a student. I've completed my BTech in Computer Science from Amity University. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science from Amity University. Whatever you have done, right? Any degree, any college, you can just name it there. Okay, so this is another sentence. Next, I would like to pursue my master's in computer science. I would like to pursue my master's in computer science from a foreign university, from an Indian university. I'm looking for a job in IT sector or in an IT domain. I'm looking for a job in an IT sector or an IT domain. Right? Either of these you can say. Okay, next. My dream job is to work with an MNC company. My dream job is to work with an MNC company. I want to get into AI or ML field. I want to get into artificial intelligence or machine learning, right? I want to get into AI or ML. I want to get into machine learning or artificial intelligence. Next, I'm a happy-go-lucky person. I love interacting with people. I love interacting with people, or I like meeting new people. right? Or I love chatting with friends. I enjoy hanging out with friends. I love eating outside. I love eating out. My favorite cuisine is Italian or Chinese, whatever you want to say. Okay, so these are very simple sentences which you can come up with, guys, about yourself. You just have to speak about you, what you like, what you dislike, what is that which is going in your head, what are your career plans, your profession, your education, your family, everything you can just include. And it is endless, guys. You can just keep on talking about it. Next, I hate boring people. And I hate gossip as well. I hate boring people and I hate gossip as well. My favorite season is winter season and I hate summers. Or I love monsoon and I hate winters. You can also say that. Coming to your family, you can say, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. My dad is a businessman. My mom is a housewife, or my mom is a teacher. My brothers work with so-and-so company. My sister is a student, or she works with so-and-so company, or whatever she does, right? So you can just explain about them also. We live in a joint family. We live in an individual family. Okay, this is how you can keep on going. So I've spoken about family, I've spoken about your likes and dislikes, I've spoken about your education and your profession, everything. Now let's talk about something about hobbies as well. I love painting. Whenever I get free time, I try my hands on painting. I've decorated my room with my paintings. I love doing it during my free time. I also love cooking. Whenever I get time, I try my hands on cooking as well. I have learned cooking from my mom and I like to try new things and I love to try new dishes. When I go out, I make sure that I eat something different. This is how you can describe about your food habits or the kind of food you like. My all-time favorite is biryani cooked by my mom. This is my all-time favorite. A homemade biryani cooked by my mom, right? So this is how you can describe that. Next, you can just talk about your school life, your college life, your hostel life, or your professional life as well. Okay, coming to college and school life, I enjoyed my school life and college life. I have made a lot of good friends and I'm still in touch with them. School life was a little stricter, but college life was fun. The first year of college was a little tough, but then later it was fun. I made a lot of friends and we really had a great time. We really enjoyed our college life. If you have good friends, definitely your life is easier anywhere, whether it is school, college or your office. If you have good friends, good colleagues, your life is set or your life is very easy. School life is different from college life and professional life is again different from college life. So all three are completely different, and mostly the professional life, it's completely opposite. You don't get to make friends. Very rare. I mean, I have made friends, but it's very rare. But you know, good colleagues are very important. So the environment has to be friendly. It has to be good, right? The team should have a healthy competition, right? That is the key. My managers have always been good to me and I feel I have been very fortunate. They have always guided me. So this is how I can just describe something about my professional life also. And there are lots more to describe. It's just that this is a video. I can't go on and on. So I'm just restricting myself. You can just take that idea and you can just start thinking about it. How was your work, right? Whether you enjoyed it or not, I enjoyed my work, right? I learned a lot while working with my manager or with my team, or in my first company or second company, whatever comes to your mind, you can just describe it. You can just elaborate on your college life. You can just elaborate on your school life. Whatever you want to, you can just elaborate on that. So this is how you can speak about yourself, and whatever things are related to you, you can just talk about it. So these are very simple sentences which I've used, guys. You can just repeat with me, shadow with me. You can repeat after me. You can imitate my ideas and my sentences. It's really going to help you to get going or get started to speak in English about yourself. Now, these sentences you can take up and you can come up with your own sentences also. Like, I love eating out. I love going out with friends. I don't like going out with friends. I don't like eating out. I don't like eating out. I like eating home cooked food. I enjoy staying back at home. So you can just come up with your own sentence. You can just replace some words and you can add your own words to complete the sentence. You can take each sentence and you can do that. So in this way, you can come up with new sentences also. Start trying this, start practicing in this way, and you will see a lot of difference in your communication skills, in your English speaking skills, in your fluency and confidence at the end of 30 days at least. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.